Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make mango beef. So I'm going to show you what we're going to be using. We're going to start with a marinade. So I'm going to use Chinese cooking oil, baking soda. I'm just going to use sliced beef, soy sauce, oil, cornstarch. So I'm doing it by myself again. So primo, and let's go. So I'm gonna open up the beef. So if I can, I might just use the knife to cut. Me with knives, everybody. I'm a bit dangerous with knives. Look, I just almost cut myself. Oh, that's not what my hearing aids are picking up. So I might get the beef clean. So I just gave it a clean because it still had blood on it. So I'm going to put it in a bowl. So I'm going to marinate it for. Oh, I've still got juice in here, so it's alright. I'm going to do two teaspoons of, I'm just going to use extra virgin olive oil, so I'm just going to do 2 of these. So 1, 2. Put it over there. So next we're going to use the cooking, so 2 of them again. Go 1, 2. Okay, what else we're going to do now? Okay, 1 of soy sauce, so I'm just going to use the big one. So is it 1? Yep. And okay. So just touch. Oops, I'm just going to use one tablespoon of water. I'm just going to use this. Oops. Okay. Okay. We're going to do 1.5 baking soda. Okay. Was it? So I can put it over there. Okay, we're going to combine the sliced beef with the marinade ingredients. So I'm going to oops. So I'm going to use my hands. So it's going to okay, that's all marinated. So I'm going to leave this marinate for an hour. So the beef should be moist after that. So okay, we're going to do the sauce. So it's 1.5 cups of, oh, we're just going to use, I always use say light brown sugar, so put it in here. So next we're going to be using hot water. Oh. Oh, you gotta be fucking. Okay, we've got hot water. In there, so we need soy sauce in this 1.5 cups. And then 1 teaspoon of dark. I'm just going to use the same big one I used. So, give this a whisk, give it a stir. One and a half cups of starch. Oops. And then 2.5 cups of each. It was well, this spoon. And mix it up. Oh, it made a mess. Mm. Mm. So let that cook. Fresh garlic. Sorry. I'm just going to use the capsicums. So just I'm just using the capsicums. So I get that about 15 seconds, and then I'll add the garlic. Now we're going to add the 15 seconds as we know, so I'm going to add the crushed garlic. Give it a and then I'll give it another stir for 15 seconds. Put the sauce in. I wonder where to put the meat in there too. Okay. I ordered that. Look at that. Thank you for watching how to make Mongolian beef. If you guys want to try this recipe, there are links down in my description down below. If you guys like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie's out. Bye.